Hello and welcome to 11th Commerce Accountancy in Introduction to Accounting. I am Sandeep Gohel and today I will teach you the the information about the users of the accounting informations. Yes, many times I have told you that there are some users who use the accounting information. Okay, so now we will see about the various users are there who uses the accounting information. And also I want to tell you that this question is very important for you because in exam many a times it would be asked. Okay, so this is a very important question and this is a very important video. That's why I have made this video for you to get the perfect solution about the users. Okay, perfect information about the users. So now we'll start. I have told you about there are two types of users. Okay, one is internal and the second is external. Okay, internal and external users. Now what are they? Internal means what? Who are the part of business, that is called internal users. Okay, and external means who are not the part of business but they are still related with the business, they are called external user. ओके यानी कि जो भी बिजनेस का पार्ट होता है दे आर द इंटरनल, एंड जो बिजनेस का पार्ट नहीं यानी कि बिजनेस में काम नहीं करते लेकिन फिर भी वो रिलेटेड है बिजनेस के साथ, दे आर रिलेटेड विद द बिजनेस, देन दे आर कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल यूजर. Okay, now one by one we will see about that. First of all, the internal users. In internal user, the number one is owner of the business. Yes, the owner of the business is the first user. Why? Because he has started the business, so he will he wish to know about the results of their business, he wish to know about the profit and loss of the business, he wish to know about the position of their business, because he wants to take some risk in future, and that's why he will use the accounting records which is prepared already. Okay, he is the first user, he is the internal because he is the owner, he is the part of the business, and he is the first user. Okay, because he wants to know all the things because he has started that business. Okay, and in future they wants to take some risk, he wants to grow their business, and that's why he is the first user of this accounting information. Okay, number two, management. Yes, there is also management who is the second user of the accounting information. Why? As we know, the functions of management is what? Planning for future, then controlling for future. Okay, controlling on the present condition, and if there is any deviation in the decided standard, then the function of the management is to find the deviation and improve it. Okay, now all this function can be done only by the help of accounting information. Okay, and that's why we can say that the management also the second user, it is also the internal part of the business, and it is also the user of the accounting information. Okay, number three, that is employees or workers. Yes, now there would be a question that why the employees are the users, because they are already getting the salary. So what is the relation between the accounting information and employees, what they need for? Okay, the answer is that uh, whenever the company is making some profit, then they are sharing the profit with the employees also, and that is called bonus. Okay, so the employees wants to know that how much bonus we will get this year, and they can know that how much bonus they will get with the help of the accounting records, with the help of the accounting information. Okay, that's why we can say that the employees are also the users. Also the provident fund also the thing which is also mentioned, which is also the income of the, which is also the part of their salary of the employees, and that is also mentioned already in the accounting records. So about the PF also, uh, the employees are the users. Employees are concerned as the user of the accounting information. Okay. Next, external users. The external users are number one, bank. Yes, bank is the external user. Why? Because whenever we wants a loan from the bank, they will demand for the records. Okay, after checking the records, and if they are safe for the bank, then bank will provide the loan. Okay, that's why we can say that bank is the first user, as well as the financial institution also, the private financial like Bajaj Finance. Okay, that is also the one more example. Okay, number two, investor. Investor means what? Who invest their money in the business. Now, whenever the part of investing is there, the investor will think about that my money should be or must be safe wherever I invest. That is the thinking of the investor, and that's why the investor will check the records first of all, and thereafter he feels that yes, this business is safe for me because there is a safeness for my investing money. Okay, so by checking the records, they can feel that the investor will feel that, and then after they will invest their money in the business. Okay, and that's why we can say that they are also the users. Number three, creditors. Creditors mean supplier who provide the goods and raw materials whatever we want. They will supply on a credit basis, means we don't have to pay on this spot in a cash. Okay, but they are providing us some goods or some raw materials on the credit basis. They are giving some time for the payment. Okay, so they are the creditors. Okay, and the best example is for Tata company. Okay, Tata company are manufacturing the car. Now they are not they are not manufacturing the tires also. So what they are managing for the tires? Yes, they will purchase from the other companies like TVS company, for example. Okay, if they are using the TVS tires in their car, so TVS tire company will be the creditor for the Tata company, because Tata company will buy the tires on a credit basis from the TVS company, and after 1 month, for example, this is okay. This is for only understanding. For example, Tata company will pay for the tires after 1 month. So in that case, TVS company becomes a creditor. TVS company is a supplier. Now, how can they decide that yes, we can give the tires on a credit basis? How can they decide? Yes, by checking the records of Tata company. By checking the records, they will believe that yes, my money will come in time. Tata has told us that yes, after 1 month I will pay your full money. Okay, full amount. I will pay you. So how can they believe that? How can they trust that the creditors are? By checking the records, the past records. By checking, they can decide that yes, it is safe. Our amount will come in time from the Tata company. So they are the creditors who are also the users of the accounting information. Okay. Next is government authorities. Yes, government authorities also are also users, because they want some tax collection from GST collection also from the business. And how can they decide? Yes, by the calculation of profit and loss, they will decide that how much tax collection is there from the business. Same way, in the part of calculating national income also, they are using the accounting information of all business. Okay, so they are also the users. Researchers who are doing some invention research, okay, they are also the users of accounting information. Next is consumer. Okay, consumer is also one of the user of accounting information, because they are purchasing the thing. Now we are the consumer, so what we are thinking whenever we purchase anything, we will think about the cost price, that what would be the production or what would be the manufacturing price of this product, and we will compare that with the market price. Okay, suppose I give an example of iPhone price is 1 lakh rupees. It's a very high price. Okay, so we'll think about it. What is there in this? What would be the production cost? Okay, we'll think about that. And if it is only and only 50,000, the production cost, and still they are selling at a price of 1 lakh rupees, oh, then The profit margin of iPhone company is 15,000 rupees per mobile. Then after what we think? Oh, don't buy it, because they are getting the more profit from us. Okay, we are paying more and more profit to him. So we will think about that, and that's why consumer are also the users who will think about the records of the company, of the business, whatever it is. Okay, so they are the users. Public also the user. Why they are user? Because they think that what is the contribution of the company in a economic development of any country. Okay, how much employment they are generating. Okay, how much welfare they are doing. Okay, like Reliance company is doing so. In Reliance company there are so many employees of India, from India. Okay, they are doing some welfare activities also for the poor villages. Okay, so that is also concerning by the public, and that's why public is also called as an external user of the business. Okay, so this is all about this users, okay, that we have seen. So I repeat, there are two types of users, internal and external. Okay, internal means that is the part of the business, and external means the part of the, that is, they are not the part of business. Okay, they are called external users. Okay, and this is all about, and if you have any doubt, then repeat this video, you will clear about the doubt. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.